Hello, good day. Today, I really wanted to take you through most of these and features of the MT4 app because the stage we are entering is a stage where we will play with the application a lot. There are a lot of things we need to add, so you need to understand. First of all, is I want to put your attention here that here where I draw this red line, you don't need it. This is the SQL aspect, so you don't really need that particular aspect because we don't need it. There is no way we are trading with it. So the secondly, this particular angle here is a news. When you click on it, you will observe much of the news you can see. They are telling us these are the news. They drop news sometimes every minute or seconds. You can be able to see it, but there are other news websites which we can talk about. And this is where your trading plan, your history, your chart, and everything. Then when you want to create a demo account, as we did, you click on the here. You click here. That is the menu aspect. When you click here, you'll ask you manage account. You click on the manage account. Then there is that plus at the top. This plus. Then you also click it. There is a open a demo account, log into existing account. This login to existing account is where you are going to add your broker's account or real account. When you click on existing, you see you can find your broker, but we don't need it now. I will say open demo account. Then there is MetaCots demo. Then it will just ask me to input my name. I can write my name there, then put my phone number, then my email. I can write anything there. Then the currency pair, is it US dollars? Yes, you want US dollars. This is leverage. You can select leverage you want. It can be 1 to 100 or so like that. And this is the deposit amount, $500, 3,000. And you say create account. That's all. You have created account. Then those are the pairs. For some people, if you did not find gold here, you click on this plus. When you click on this plus here, it will tell you forex. Then you look at it below, there is XAU USD here, so you click on it and then you press back. Already that pair is added. You can see that is under the US dollar pair, so you can be able to make your analysis on it. So when you come to the history, you can see there is under $3,000 that is added to your account, of which you can be able to trade. Now please, this chart is the main aspect, or I will say is the crux of everything in forex. Now this angle you are seeing here, this is an indicator. It's an indicator, we call it ATR. Do you get it? But first of all, if you find that angle here on your app, or you find a particular line like that, a line that is following your chart, you can be able to delete it. I want to clear that particular chart to be empty. How to clear that chart to be empty is you first of all press that F. This F you are seeing here is called indicator. It is an indicator window. This is an indicator window. Then this indicator window, then this that you are seeing is a cursor. It's just like, and for those of you that know Corel Draw, you know there are cursor that are counting the number of rulers. It shows you the price on this particular site very well. Then this here, and this particular aspect shows you some of the currency pair. When you click on it, you will see there is Euro USD, something that will just, and it will reduce you the stress of going back to the chart. Then this, and this time here is also is a time frame. If you observe the stage 3, there is what we call time frame analysis. So this particular aspect will take care of under the time frame analysis. Then if you want to place order, then this plus here, if you want to place order, is a shortcut way of placing order. If you click on it, it will take you to where you can click buy or sell. Then you return back. When you click on that time frame, you see M1, M5, M15, M30, H1, H4, D1, W1, M1. This is 1 minute. This is 5 minutes. This is 15 minutes. This is 30 minutes. This is 1 hour. This is 4 hour. This is daily time frame. This is weekly time frame, and this is monthly time frame. All of this time frame has their meanings. It has their importance. When we come to time frame analysis, you will observe they are important in relation to this candlestick that you are seeing. So this time frame are equally and very very important. So when we come to it, we will discuss how we can be able to move with the time frame. Then this is the currency. You can change currency. Then this cursor here, when you click on it, you see it shows you, like here is 1.27766. You see it will show you absolutely where the price is and what is the actual amount. So you can move ahead in this cursor and do whatever you want to do, which I will show you. This cursor is very, very important. It can reduce you the stress of calculating TP and Excel, which is a backbone of what I have taught you. It's very important I teach you the manual as well, because when you come, I will show you a way that will reduce the computation wahala for you. So the first thing I want to tell you is that I want to focus on these indicators, because that is what we are entering, this F here. So if there is any chart on your phone, anything, you just click that F, that indicator. When you click on it, you say indicator window, you see there is under average true range here, then there is main chart is empty. So if there is anything here, just click and hold. Delete will come, delete it. So do you observe when I delete it, the chart now becomes empty, there is no any other line. Same thing, if your chart has a line or something like that, just go there, click and delete it. Make sure that your chart is empty. It is either black or white, on your, depending on how you make it. Then you can also customize the color to be red and is it blue. Let me also show you how to customize it. It is in setting. When you click here, you go to your settings. When you go to your settings, there is a color scheme here, customize color scheme. Then when you go to the customize color scheme, you click on it. Now when you want to change the white and blue on your particular on your respective MT4, please, those are the one that will regard to it. Bull candle, then beer candle. You see the bull candle here, that is the color. Then the beer candle here is the color, which is red. In your own aspect, you'll find that the beer candle, which is the candle going down, is black. You can change it to what you want. Then the bull candle here, the one that is going up, which is under blue or green, which is under white on your own app, you can make it blue, green, or whatever you decide and to put it. So this is where some of these particular bid price and ask price, you can see, you can also make their colors and customize everything the way you want it. So this is not our interest here. Our interest is on this chart. So you see this is empty. So when you click on that F, look at it, it will show you a lot of options. So these are all indicators. We call all of these indicators. Those are indicators. Like this is ADX, average directional movement index. This is Bollinger Bands. This is envelopes. This is Ichimoku indicator. It's a Japanese indicator. This is moving average, which we are going to treat tonight. This is parabolic SAR. This is standard deviation. All of these are indicators. Then when you move up, there is average true range, BS power, Bulls power. So whenever I just ask you, put a particular indicator, just come here and look for the name. So there are some indicators here that we have chosen to give you lecture and tell you the trading strategy with them. So like this and moving average, when I ask you to apply that indicator, you just click on the moving average. It will come up here. There are settings. There is period. I will ask you to put a particular number here. Then this is shift. I will ask you to put something here. Then methods, apply to whatever the setting. If I just give you, make sure I will just give you the setting that you will find inside that moving average indicator setting. You do what you want to do on that particular moving average indicator. When you finish, like this one is 14 indicator, then this is the color. Here is the color. You can select any color. Like let me make this color to be black. I have chosen black. Then you click done. The done will be here. When you click done, the indicator will appear on your chart. Do you see a black line? You see there is a particular black line. You see it's moving. Sometimes the black line will be above the candlestick. Sometimes the black line will be below the particular candlestick. As you are going back, you can see the behavior. The black line is reacting according to how the candlestick are moving. It's reacting according to how the candlestick are moving. So you see this is black line. If I want to add another indicator, I will still go to that F. I will click on that main chart. If I click on that main chart, it will show me which indicator do you want to add. I will select moving average again. I will then choose moving average. Then this time maybe I will say let me put 7 here. Then I will say done. Then sorry, I did not change the color. You see, it will confuse me which one is 7, which one is 14. Then I will go back and click here. No, this is 14. This is the 14 one I use. I don't want it. I will come below and click this. This is the 7. Then I will change the color here to maybe, and let's put something like that. Then let's say done. Then you see the two colors together. So the colors are reacting. You can see one of the and the blue color will cross the black one, then to go up, then it will cross it to go down like that. So all this crossing that you are seeing, there are some, it's like a signal. It will be giving you a signal. Those are what we will be using to give you the lectures. I will ask you, like, say if this particular color has crossed the black one downwards, then definitely I will tell you it's an indication that you are supposed to sell. That means the price, there is a likelihood chance that the price will go down. Do you get the point? Or I will say if the black candle have crossed the is it green or purple color here downward, then that means there is possibilities that the price will go up. Do you get it? The crossing take place here, but do you see that the price start to go up? Do you get it? The price start to move up. So in that aspect, maybe this is a particular indication that that price will go up or something like that. So this is how, and how our next lecture for the indicator will be. If you don't want to use the indicator, I can decide to say I will delete the indicators. If I delete the indicators, it will be empty. Then maybe I say let me add another indicator, and there is that indicator MACD. This particular indicator, I can decide to say let me add MACD. There are settings here that we can give. I will click done. You can see such kind of indicator will come below the chart. Some indicators will create themselves below the chart, while some indicators will create themselves inside the particular candle. So just it depends on whatever indicator we are dealing with. So this and MACD indicator, you can see there is even a line there that is crossing. You can see some line goes down. It all has meaning. They are all point to that. If it, you see such particular aspect like this MACD here is trying to go up, then when this particular one is going up, that means there is possibilities that the price will come down. Now I may be able to, based on this indicator, I may be able to say I will put a sell stop order here. I will just click this and say sell. I hope you are trying to get what I'm saying. So all these kind of things we are going to come and explain. I will be taking the indicators one by one. I just want to show you that, so that whatever we are like whatever lectures we are on, you will not be confused on how to add indicator or something like that. Then also sometimes in this MACD you will find out that here you can be able to add an indicator inside this place. Inside the MACD, like before I add moving average here that is following the price moving, then I can decide to add another indicator here. So how am I going to do it? Then you go to the F. When you click on that F, you see there are two windows. This is indicator window, while this is main chart. This main chart, whenever you press this enter, it is showing you that the indicator you are adding will be added to the main chart. While whatever you press and add here, whatever indicator you are adding will be added to the MACD window. Then let's try to add something here. Let's try to add here. You say add. Let's add moving average. Moving average of 7. Let's say done. Now do you see? You see another indicator was added, but inside the particular, it's like an indicator inside an indicator. So it's possible. And sometimes you will see some people chat, there are much indicators. Like now I added MACD. Let me go back and I will have to click on this main chart. If I want to add it on my chart, I will click on that main chart. Then I will say ATR, average true range. Then let me add it and you will see ATR. I will say done. Do you see that it create another layer inside my chart? Then I can add another one also. I will click on this main chart. It is on the main chart that I will click main chart. Then what am I going to add again? Let's say there is and also there is moving average oscillator. There is RSI. Let me add this RSI here. Done. You see why I have I have one. I have MACD here. I have average true range ATR. I have relative strength index here. 3 indicators. I can still add another one. Then you click on this particular M chart. then you can say average directional movement ADX, then you say done. Do you see? Like, so that is why when you open some people charts, you will see a lot of this like that. Then you will be confused. Look at this chart, somebody is using five. Some people, that's how they do it. They make a combine of 3 to 4 indicators and plan a particular trade. So you can still add another one. There is no offense there in adding another one. You will say, as long as you know what you are doing, then which particular indicator, you can say this Japanese indicator here, Ichimoku, you will click on it, you click on done, you can see the indicator will just this one indicator will appear inside the main chart. So all indicators has their own, and what do you call it, has their own how they can be added. So when you see some people, you can see their chart. Now look at it. So some people make decisions based on this chart. So this is what we call indicator. You can still add another indicator, or you can add double indicators if it's possible. I have already added MACD. I can decide to add another MACD. I have double MACD. There is MACD here, there is MACD also below. So all these are such kind of things. So when you open MT4 and you see your chart is like that and you are confused, just click on the indicator, come here, then click on this aspect of, and click on this delete aspect, then you delete them all. When you delete them all the indicators are gone. So as you can see, please, this is the indicators. This is how we add indicator, and as we are doing it, I will be sending screenshots. So the, and also this is what we know. This candlestick that you are seeing is also has important, like this candlestick you can see, we call it shooting star. All these candlestick that they are seeing, you see it has a wick up and it has a wick down. Then like this indicator, it only has a wick down, and then it has the body. So there is all this candlestick analysis that you are seeing, it has a meaning. There is a particular candlestick that will open, that you will know, yes, this is a buying signal, or this is a selling signal. It is the indicator. It's like the candle will try to show you that the price is about to go up or the price is about to go down. Do you get it? Then when you just tap on the chart, this particular item will appear. For those using Android phone, sorry, it's Android phone I'm using, that's why I'm giving this tutorial. For those using iPhone, you may experience a slight difference, but and if you understand, this one is all the same thing. So for this aspect, this is something like the time frame. M1, M5 is just another shortcut of this one. All this is the time frame up to here. This is the time frame, and this F is the indicator I have discussed, and this is the cursor I have talked about. Then one thing that they have make it hidden is only this one. These are symbols. This is very, very important. This particular one, when you click on it, it will show you vertical lines, there is channel, there are a lot of things, Fibonacci, Elliott waves. So all these are such kind of, they are technical analysis tools. They are tools that can help you. You can draw a trend line, you can, to determine where a price, which way a price is moving and how will it reach. Like this is a trend line here, there is a way to draw it. I will come to teach you. When you click on that trend line, you can place your hand like that and you can just draw it. So that drawing, it has a meaning. It means like the price will not cross like that. So those are all kind of, and those are all kind of things that we really need you to understand. When you want to delete it, you just come here, you press and you press the delete button and delete all the all the chart. So this candlestick you are seeing is very, very important. But because when we are trading, after we finish with indicator, because those are, there are those much indicators, I will teach you about 4 or 5 of them to know them. Then when we finish with indicator, we'll come back to candlestick, time frame analysis, and all other things where you trade without indicator. Like me here, I'm not trading with indicator. Those price that you are seeing, you can see it moving down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, like that. Then it move up again. So it has important, there we call them lower highs and lower lows. There are all such kind of things. You can trade without indicator, you can trade with indicator, and all, and all other sort of things you want to do. Like, say, let me give you an example. Then also about that TP, let me like make a particular instance here. When you want to, when I ask you to put on a particular trade, let's me change the time frame here to maybe 30 minutes. Now let me make example with this. Let's say the price is here, or let me go with the current price. This is the current price. This is the price. The price is at this level. The price is at this level. Now I want to place a buy order. After my analysis, I have found out that this price can continue moving upwards. Let me push it back like that. This price can continue. It's like after my analysis, I've determined it's here. I can say it can come here, come down, move up, come down, move up. Okay, this is the point. Now I am thinking this price can move up to this point, up to this particular point here that I'm drawing. Now, what are you supposed to do? This is where you use the cursor. You can use this cursor here. You press that cursor here. You are thinking the price will come to that place. Then what is the number for the price on that place? Is 1.27814. Please observe very well. 1.27814. That will be your TP because you are buying. Do you get my point? I am buying now. So 1.27814. This will be my take profit. Now since I am entering the trade here and this place is my TP, then if in case that price decide to go down like this, because if it is going down, the money in your account is in rate. If maybe it will go down so much that you only have $50, if it keeps going down, it reach up to $50, your account is blown. We said your account is blown because that's all, you have lost your equity. You have to put another money for you to trade. But that is the importance of stop loss. I say, okay, I do not want that price to go down. If this price has reached that area, this will be my stop loss, this place. Then you press your cursor, you press that cursor here. Then this particular area, what is the number? You see, is 1.2700. Then my take profit above is 27814, while my stop loss is what? My stop loss is 1.2700. Then I can confidently enter this trade. Then I will just click on this particular aspect to buy. Then I will click on it. Then this is my take profit here. What is my take profit initially that I plan? The take profit I plan is 27184. Then I will just maybe press this plus. Then I will delete it. I will say 27814. This is my take profit. Then what is my stop loss? I will say my stop loss is 27000. Do you see it? And that is the beauty of MT4. Look at it, the sell button has already gone dark. It shows you that you put a take profit and stop loss that relate to buying. You are not going to even allow to press the sell button because the take profit you put is take profit above the current price. The MT4 already understand that you want to buy. Then when you put a stop loss below the selling price, that means MT4's record is only buy order that you will do that. You cannot even press, you cannot get to press the sell by arrow. Then after you finish, you just, then this is the market execution that we are talking about. Then when you click here, there are other aspects, buy limit, sell limit, and all other, but we'll come to talk to them. Then this is the lot size. I want to enter a trade of 0.01. Then you click on your buy button here. As you click on the buy button, order has been placed in queue. That is, this depends on the strength of your network. If your network is good, it will just work. If your network is slow, I'm thinking maybe I'm having a network here, but let me off and on my data. It will just come up. Sometimes its network, you see, it's no connection. It will revert back so that let me go back again and place and say 27814. Then my stop loss is 2700. Buy order is open. The network is the problem, so you see the buy order start to open. Then I will observe. So gentlemen, then let's observe here. You see there's dash line here. That is your stop loss. Look at it here. They even say SL. Then look at that, they say TP here. When you go like that, you see this is your TP. Then here they show you that you buy at a 0.01. That is your buy, or that is when you enter the trade, and that is when, now after this you can decide to just close your phone, off the data, go back and sleep. because you are what, two things will happen. Either you get that take profit here, or you make that particular stop loss. You can also, if you are free, to monitor it. Maybe if you are the type that is very afraid, if the price come down, here, you can just decide to end the trade. And then if also maybe when the price goes here you are in profit, then you can also decide what, to close the order. And if you want to close the order, what are you going to do? You press and hold the order here. When you press and hold, it shows what, close order. You press close order and then press close with a loss. If you don't want, you go back and allow the trade to run. Do you get it? You can see that if you enter a trade with this lot size, the profit, it will be very small. The profit will be very few, very little. Assuming I enter it with a 1.00 lot size, this one will not be minus 0. It will be maybe running at $22 because of the lot size that I get into trade. So lot size determines the equity that you are running. So these are the things about take profit. Now I have illustrated it. Let me change the pair. Let me go to the Euro USD. Then on this Euro USD, now look at it. Let's say I want to place a particular, and let's say I want to place a sell order. You see the price is going down, is going down, is going down. Let me say I want to place a sell order. When you are placing a sell order, this is the current price. Then it's a sell. You are expecting that the price will come down here. This will be your TP. If the price have mistakenly moved up, then this particular place will be your stop loss. So now let me use the cursor to determine where I want. I will say maybe I want my take profit to be here, and the take profit, let's say, will be 2242. I just want the profit to be here, 2242. Then my stop loss, let's say I want my stop loss to be here, 2281. Then I will just click on the buy aspect button. Then I will come to my TP here. If I come to my TP here, I will say 2242. Do you get it? Then I will come to my under stop loss here and say 22810. Look at it. The buy button has already gone dark. The sell button has what? Has shown me that what I do is a particular way to sell. You cannot make mistake. Then after I finish, I'll just click sell. You see, order is open. So you see here, I have a buy order running, I have a sell order. I can reluctantly go and sleep. This is stop loss, show me that when the price reach that dot line, the trade will close. This is take profit, it show me when the price reach that place, it will automatically close. So this is how it works, and as the indicator. So please try to watch that particular video. I urge you to watch, to ask those that have not watched, because I want everybody to watch the video before I move on to these lectures, because it will be very easier for you when you understand some of the illustrations that I have given. And also, if after watching those videos you have some questions that relate to this, and you can also say it to me. Thank you.